Hello, Calvin.
Hello.
So, Calvin, how did you get involved in this fashion show?
Actually, I was just called last night by Sir Bench, and then they wanted me to go here. Yeah, that's how I got in.
Yeah. Ilang years ka na nagbo-model?
Actually, I just started this year by
Wow, you're
March.
new. Wow. Okay, but what's your background? Like, are you in college? Have you finished college? And
I'm still a college student, and I entered the modeling industry by just when I entered pageantry. Yeah, and then I won Parañaque.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm from Parañaque as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, so Calvin, what's your apelido pala?
Vocal boss. Vocal boss.
Vocal boss. Anyways, I'll research, Parañaque. So, ano pa yung gusto mong ma-achieve? Like, do you want to focus on pageantry, or are you good with modeling and like going, if you want to work with the best designers?
Actually, this is my step to showbiz. I want to enter.
Gusto mo mag-artista?
Yeah, also a singer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What type of songs do you sing? Like ballads? Do you do pop songs?
I do ballad, R&B.
Yeah. Do you have any like top 3 na guy na artista you look up to? Yeah.
Juan Carlos. Yeah, the last one, Carlos. Rob Daniel. And I also like the songs sa Parokya ni Edgar.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, those are singers. How about yung mga actors?
Actors.
Yeah, Pinoy actors.
I idolize John Lloyd. Yeah.
John Lloyd, period.
John Lloyd.
Yeah, but you haven't met him yet.
Yan na.
Yeah. How?
soon.
Why not, diba? How about babaeng artista, like yung gusto mo maging leading lady, top 3?
Actually, wala pa ako naiisip. Kung sino man dumating naman, okay lang.
How about yung kahit yung mga medyo yung mga galing sa PBB collab, like sila Shuvi, sila Bianca.
Yun siguro
Si Shuvi. Anong gusto mo kay Shuvi?
Very energetic, para makakapata ako sa ganun.
Yeah. So, balik naman tayo sa fashion world. Like, of course, I know you wanted to enter show business, but do you have any particular designers you want to walk for?
Particular designer, Francis Figueres.
Nagano ka ba sa kanya, casting? Oh, sayang. Yeah.
Okay lang, next time.
Yeah. You know, it's actually, I learned recently, it's actually Liberan. It's not Liberan. Yeah, I know. I watched their interviews, and that's nasanay. Hindi na siguro nila kinokorek kasi nasanay mga tao. Sino pang designers?
Bago lang kasi ako. So,
wala pa masyado. Yeah. How do you see yourself like 10 years from now? Like, what are your goals?
I think nandun pa rin ako sa showbiz. Tingin ko.
Showbiz, yeah.
Or kung di man pala rin, I'll be yung course ko ngayon, which is civil engineering. Yeah. I'll be doing civil engineering in the corporate world for 5 years siguro. And then, pag nakipunit yun, in business. I enter business.
Yeah. But as artista, ano mas gusto mo? Like, pelikula or TV shows?
I would do, pero siguro, mas gusto ko yung pelikula. Tatatak siya sa tao.
So, last question na lang, Calvin. Aside from, of course, singing, ano sa tingin mo yung asset mo that makes you stand out? Asset or advantage mo, yeah. Aside from yung the obvious, your looks, your height, your voice.
Yung attitude ko, how I present myself to people, and siguro yung pagiging mabait ko sa mga tao.
Yeah, I can see that naman. And you're a little shy too. Sige, thank you.